Good morning, my dear children. I hope you all are in the pink of your health. As we all know, the summer season in India is at its peak. So, in order to refresh ourselves and our loved ones, let us make this delicious beverage. Children, beverage means drink. What is better than a healthy mango shake to burn the heat? Let us go. There are thousands of variety of mangoes in India. Most commonly, variety in Delhi are Chausa, Langda, Safeda and Daseri. For preparing mango shake, I have taken a Daseri mango, a glass of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 or 5 ice cubes, chopped dry fruit. First of all, take a mango. With the help of your mother, peel it and cut it into small pieces. Now, add the milk. Put the required sugar into the jar. Now, seeking your mother's help, switch the mixer grinder on. Open the jar and your mango shake is ready. You can add some ice cubes in it. Pour the mango shake into a glass. You can garnish it with the help of some dry fruits. Wow, yummy! With this, our mango shake is ready to drink. Children, as we have prepared mango shake, I would like to ask you all a very interesting question. You all can take on one hand a Tetra pack of fruity and on the other hand simple yet delicious and healthy mango shake. Both are made up of the same fruit. Which is healthier according to you? The answer to this question is mango shake. Try this mango shake at home